Hi, sorry. Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to turn on sound messages on the application of email. To know how to turn on sound messages on the application of email, you should just go to the app of email as you see and you click. Sorry. After that, in this page, we click in this sign of profile. When you find this list, we click settings. Here in this page, you'll enter some notifications. Then we click messages, and here we click in this sign of sound. If the sign changes the blue color, then you can now have to turn on sound messages on the application of email. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.